Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how to redeem a code in Diablo Immortal. Redeeming codes in Diablo Immortal grants you exclusive in-game rewards like your cosmetics, gear chests, and more. First of all, open up a web browser on whichever device you are using and go to the URL box and type in diabloimmortalredeem.com and search. You'll then end up in this official site where you can redeem your Diablo Immortal code. Go ahead and scroll down, and in the redemption code field, type down your redemption code first. Make sure you input a valid code. Now, you'll need to enter your player ID on the next field. To find your player ID, go ahead and open up Diablo Immortal game and tap on the menu button at the top right. Now click on the gear icon at the top right, and then at the bottom inside General, you will see your user ID. Tap on the copy button right next to your user ID and get back to the Diablo redemption page. Now in the player ID field, paste in the player ID that you just copied. Underneath the player ID tab, select your server by tapping the drop down. After selecting the server, click on Redeem Code. If the code is valid, the rewards will be sent to your in-game mailbox, typically arriving shortly after redemption. So that's how you can easily redeem your Diablo Immortal game code. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.